Oh, damn.
What's up?
Go ahead.
What? Look,
Where the pen at, nigga?
I don't know.
Where the pen
I
at?
don't know.
Shit. Let's go.
I be motherfucking out of fucking space with the aliens. I'm on another planet, man, cause I stay higher than a bitch. I'm on that motherfucking stupid gun. If a nigga wants some beef, he me my fucking troops, you know. Shit, I'm the lieutenant, don't get it twisted. Salute me when you see me, or it's gonna be some major business. I will run up in your crib, leave you with no kidneys, leave you with no spine, leave your skin missing. Fucking with the kid, I say I'm on. Boy looking like he been up on some styrofoam. That's that wavy shit. These niggas don't want to see me, bitch. I hit them with that chopper, leave all these fucking pussies bleeding. Left 3 holes in his side, so that pussy nigga died. None of them hoes ain't alive. Okay, leave no witness, I'm on. Leave that whole street quiet, you know. Come through that bitch, you chopper, yeah, they soundin' like them drums. Boom, 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 like a parade in here, bro. Say, knock your fucking roof off, you better duck, dog. I'm taking headshots, leave a motherfucking nigga gone.
With no bodyguard. I'm gonna motherfucking take his fucking body off. Hey, where's the parachute?
What?
Cause little me's a polo man, bitch, we at the roof.
Huh?
Escape door.
Yeah?
Emergency floor.
Yeah?
911, we just fucking killed your fucking whore. We left her brains on the floor.
Yeah.
First, suicide, homicide first.
Suicidal with it.
I leave your girl in a hearse, she leave me up in a hearse. Blow my brains out up on this verse. She killed me, it's not a curse. And she thinks she is the doctor, I call her Mrs. Nurse. Put the dick off in her and she wear it on her side, so she call my dick her fucking purse. I'm the motherfucking worst. After birth, blast on the nigga, leave his ass after church. Dead. Matter of fact, put his ass in the church, then wrap his ass up like Hershey's. Hershey.
Leave the motherfucker brains splattered over the floor, it don't matter, give it up, nigga. I'm all about my money. Yup, the big stackers. Money long like I played for the fucking Packers. Better yet, the fucking ELA. Say, what these niggas mean? So I got digits in the face, and you know me, it's not a thing. And the boys stay studying on them sixes, say I love it, say I'm laughing at the table. Yup, buddy, smile for the camera, better yet a pose. Nigga look good when I'm in your fucking hoe. I make her do the tootsie roll. What you know about that? Yeah, do the stranger leg when I'm off up in your bitch. Yes, she suck me. Yes, she really suck me. Pussy stay wet. Better yet, drippin' like jacuzzi. Say that move me. Yep, she really move me. I beat it in the shower. Got that pussy Gucci. Ooh, better yet, Louis. Better,